Good morning, children. Now this is 10th class social studies. We are in the 16th lesson. What is that 16th lesson? National movement in India, partition, independence, 1939 to 1947. Okay, children. So in this lesson, we discussed in the previous classes many points. So next one, children, how Gandhi was assassinated, how Quit India movement started, so how our country was partitioned, who partitioned our country, what about Muslim League, what about Hindu Sabha and RSS. Okay, children. Next one, why our Congress leaders resigned all in 1939. Next one, Indian Government Act 1935. So each and every points we discussed in this lesson. Now the last part is here, integration of states, children. So when Britishers gave to our country independence in 1947, okay, children. So 550 princely states are there. So these 550 princely states ruled autonomously, but with the permission of Britishers. Okay, children. So next one, when Britishers quit our country, what happened here? So the Indian government started. Okay, so who was the first Prime Minister? Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one, the Deputy Prime Minister, first Deputy Prime Minister, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, so here our Indian government asked all territories, that means the princely states, 550 princely states, join in our India. Okay, so that is why almost all 550 princely states join as part of our India. Okay, but except three parts or three states. What are the three states? Here I wrote already what are the three states. That three states did not join. They are Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad, Junagadh. So these three states did not join in our Indian government. So that is why after 2 years they also joined. Okay. So before, what happened at independence time? These princely states, the ordinary people, they wanted democracy system in that union territories also. So in this way, they revolted against the native rulers. They started movements also. What are that movements here? Praja Mandal movement. What it is called? Praja Mandal movement. So when these people demanding for democracy, even our Indian government, that means the Congress also wanted to establish the democracy in that areas. So that is why they asked to join in our India. Okay. So in this way, except these three, Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir, all joined in our country. So the unification started. So here the Indian government under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, 1947 July. So he asked all. So who did not want to join in our? So he said to, with army we will match the all points or all territories. So that's why they also joined. Okay, children. Next one, the Indian government accept to give pension funds. They are called privy purses. What they are called? Privy purses. Per annum, the Indian government gave some amount to the native princes. Why? Because they joined their territories into Indian government. Okay, children. But after what happened? It started 1956, I think. Next one, it stopped. That means the Indian government abolished these princely privy purses in 1971. Okay. So why? Because we are all equal. Okay. So that is your lesson, children. Now I want to show some pictures and some important matter here. I want to read to you one important statement. It was it's said by Dr. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. You turn the pages, page number 222. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Pakistan or the Partition of India, Introduction. It is delivered in 1940, children. It is beyond question that Pakistan is a scheme which will have to be taken into account. The Muslims will insist upon the scheme being considered. The British cannot consent to settle power upon an aggressive Hindu majority and make it its leaving it to deal with the minorities at its sweet pleasure. That would not be ending imperialism, it would be creating another imperialism. What it is? Not ending imperialism. Ending imperialism means they are going to their country from our country. Okay. Creating another imperialism means they want to give powers to political powers to Pakistan, means creating or establishing another political power in that two areas. Next to children, in the same lesson, Hitler wrote one letter to, Gandhi wrote one letter to Hitler. You look at page number 219, children. So what did he wrote? I read to you here. Hitler, Berlin, German, dear friend. Friends have been arguing me to write to you for the sake of humanity, but I have resisted their request because of the feeling that any letter from me would be an impudence. Something tells me that I must not calculate and that I must make my appeal for whatever it may be work. It is quite clear that you are today the one person in the world who can prevent a war which may reduce humanity to the savage state. Must you pay that price for an object, however worthy it may appear to you to be? Will you listen to the appeal of one who has deliberately shunned the method of war, not without considerable success? Anyway, I anticipate your forgiveness if I have erred in writing to you. I remain your sincere friend, M.K. Gandhi. Okay, children. So here Hitler ideology we know. So he targeted minorities in his country, Jewish people. So he killed 6 million Jewish people in his country. Okay, so it is cruel activity. So that's why Gandhi wrote the letter to Hitler. Next, children, look these two pictures. Crossing Ivory River in 1945, Royal Indian Army. So this is Royal Indian Army, children. Next picture, elephants loading supplies in C-46 planes during Second World War in India. Okay, children. Next, children, here look at page number 224. Who is this man? Subhash Chandra Bose. So he started the prisoners of war, what it is called Indian National Army. So he negotiated with Japan, Germany and Italy. But initially the Axis powers, these three countries were getting victories. But finally what happened? The Allied power groups got victory over Axis power groups. Next, children. Memorial for the naval gods who revolted for India's freedom in 1946. Look, children. So this is also one of the memorial. Next one, Jawaharlal Nehru at Independence Declaration. So here look at, okay children, many delegates they seated. Next, children, here very important, this is one newspaper, okay, newspaper report of Indian independence. What different items can you identify in it? Discuss. So look one, what is the newspaper? The Statesman. Okay. Two dominions are born. What are the two dominions? Pakistan and India. Close friendship with Britain. Nehru's reply to Mr. Attlee. Okay, children. Now look at here, this picture also. First governor of West Bengal, C.R. shown in this morning. Next, joyful scene in Calcutta, celebrations by Hindus and Muslims. Okay, now this picture also look at, what is that picture? Next, here one watch also there, look at. Next, children, turn on the next page. Here three pictures are there. The first picture is various scenes of partition, photographs published in Life magazine, photographs by Margaret Burke White. So look, many lakhs of people, they displaced from Pakistan to India, India to Pakistan. 1.5 crores people. Okay. 5 lakhs people died, children. So now look at how he felt sorry about the situation. Next, look at, children, this picture also. Okay, children. Now here one started to post the last journey of Mahatma Gandhi, children. Mahatma Gandhi was shot dead by Nathuram Godse on January 30, 1948. Okay, children. Okay, children. Thank you.